Hello, my name is James. Today, I am proud to bring you this lecture by Neville Goddard. It was written in the late 1940s. Let us begin. Good afternoon, everyone. I am so pleased to be here today to talk to you about a very special and powerful concept, be still and know. First, let's make sure we understand what it means. To be still is to be quiet, not to think, nor talk about any thoughts that are opposed to the thing you desire. To know is to have confidence and faith in the power of God to bring it to pass. It is vitally important that we understand how powerful this concept is. We often dismiss it as simple and ineffective, but that would be a mistake. Be still and know is one of the most powerful tools of creative manifestation. It enables us to tap into the mind of God and bring about the things we want. This process is simple, yet profound. All you have to do is to decide upon something you want and be still, knowing that you will receive it. Don't think about the steps that you need to take, just sit and know that you will have everything you desire. This faith and confidence will create an energy that will draw your desire to you. But know that this is a process and will take time. Sometimes it may seem like it's taking forever. Be patient and trust that it will come. This is where the know part is important. You must have faith in the process and in the power of God. When you are still and have faith, you will be able to move around any obstacles that are in your way. You will find yourself in the right place, surrounded by the right people, and will manifest the things you desire with ease. My friends, this is the power of be still and know. Open your heart and mind, and trust that God will bring you all that you desire. Believe it, know it, and then let it go. For when you are still, you will know, and God will bring your desires to you. Thank you for your attention. I hope this message has been helpful to you in some small way. Have faith, be still, and know. Blessings to you all. That was a wonderful lecture. There are times that I have thought along those lines, probably only for a brief moment, here or there. Then I would get back into habitual thinking patterns. If you haven't already clicked on the subscribe button below this video, please do so, as it would really help. It will be greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching.